a judge has sided with Kelly Clarkson in her legal custody battle against ex-husband Brandon Blackstock. Bravo. Sorry, I know that's just my opinion. According to an article on Yahoo News, the Montana ranch they owned now belongs to the songstress. Blackstock tried to claim the home as marital property, but the judge didn't see it that way. Ladies, so I need you to weigh in on this, okay? Do you think marrying someone at your same financial level matters?
It does matter.
Yeah,
Is it the only thing that matters? No. But you need to be responsible about money because it is an entire entity, just like a child. Like, you have to know, if this doesn't work out, where's your money going? Where's my money going?
Prenup, post-up, all that.
All of it, all of it. So yes, it does matter.
Yeah, I think it helps. I think you have to look at everything. No one needs to make the exact same amount, but how are they financially responsible?
Yeah.
Do they have a lot of debt? Do they have, all those things? But what was interesting is at this ranch, it costs $81,000 a month to uphold it.
Yeah.
So if he gets that ranch, is she going to have to pay for him to upkeep it? It's a little tricky. It's a little tricky.
Yeah, of course. This was so tough on her, and I'm glad that it's coming out.
Yeah.
This is just an example of, if you are a woman with a career, get you a prenup and make sure that it's a fair prenup, that is something that they can't
updated
hold up
regularly
in court.
Yeah, because this, you work really hard, and men work hard too, I understand
Because she
that.
said she had a prenup.
Yeah, but
She did, and that wasn't in the prenup, the ranch.
Lord,
Things
that's why me
happen.
and Jeannie be telling y'all about the post-nut. The post-nut is, yes, these are the deals that we made prior to getting married, which is the prenup. But as you go along, let's say one person comes in and they're more successful, and at some point it turns and the other person becomes more successful. Now they have more assets. You need to continue to update that, and I think that that's really important. Guys, if you watch back in the day on The Real when we used to talk about this, I used to be like, that is so not romantic, prenups. And like, I literally argued with you guys that
because
I thought
you became a
prenups were terrible.
businesswoman.
Because I wasn't a businesswoman, and furthermore, I thought that it was very unromantic.
Right.
Yes.
I was just
And
about
really
to say that.
romantic, truthfully, is being able to have a grown conversation with another person who respects your entity and wants you to walk out of here, still the strong woman he married or she married, and making sure that you guys take care of each other.
And I want you to feel safe. And you should feel safe.
Yes, get the stigma out of your head that it's awkward to talk about, I'm not sure. Because if you're real, you want to see your man or your partner talk to you in a way that makes you feel safe about where you're moving forward. You got to be able to have that conversation.
And if talking about money makes you uncomfortable with that person, why are you marrying them?
If he don't sign it, then what do you do?
If he doesn't sign it, then we have a bigger issue.
Yeah, then you delay the wedding and you take time. It doesn't mean that they're a bad person or anything. People just need to understand. The only thing that makes people afraid is the fear of the unknown. So when you pop 17 pages in front of them and they don't know what it is, that could trigger some things that make them feel like you're against me, these big words, I don't know what to do. But if you sit down and you have a lawyer that actually just explains everything to you, and the prenup should never start with the lawyer. Let's start there. The prenup starts with you tell me what you need and you want, and I'm gonna tell you what I need, I want. And then from there it gets drafted, and it should be checked and updated.